to draw Boogie Bot from Poppy Playtime, Chapter 3. Let's do it. Gonna go over here and draw a straight line at the top. Gonna go along the side right here, and I'm gonna pull down, slight curve. And I'm gonna pull the exact same thing on this side. Down, slight curve. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect these lines. Like so. Okay. Gonna draw almost the exact same shape on the inside now. Line out. Curve over here. Line right there, and curve right there. Right on. Over here on this side, out, out. Those little lines, and we're gonna connect them. It's kind of like his ear shape. Out, out, like so. And we're gonna connect them right there. Go down here for the neck. I'm gonna go down, pull down, over here on this side, pull down, over here. Curve over here for kind of the chest. At the very end, we're gonna have a block on the shoulder. Line over here, block on the shoulder. Angle down here, like so. Pulling in, down, down, right there. And then we're going to connect at the bottom here for his like pelvis area. So he's got like a little chest plate, and well, okay, first off at the top of the head right here, we can draw a line here and a line here. It's like a design on his head, right? Go over here to the chest area. I'm going to pull a line in just a bit here. Down, down. Line over here, cross. Downward, downward. Out over here, out over here. Line across over there. Okay. So far so good. We got this down. Just relax and let's keep going. Gonna go right over here on this side to do the legs. So line, 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 line right there. And he runs on these tractor tire sort of things. So we're gonna go over here down and just try to match that line on this side. Go over here to the top over there, top over there, out over here, out over here. Extend that, extend that. Then right here at the bottom right there, it's kind of like where it touches the ground. Try to, if you can, not a big deal if you can't do this, don't worry about it, but we want to try to make these like even to the ground. So if you're drawing that line, just imagine it in your mind's eye. Just try to even them out as much as you can. Line over here, like so. Over here. Curve. Curve. Curve again. Curve again, right? Don't worry, we're going to finish off with a face at the very end, so in case you're wondering about that. Oh, I forgot about this. The tractor tires, they're you know, we're going to have to draw a straight line across here like for that pattern. So, we're here, over here. So, just, you know, something like that. Nothing wild, just make them straight. Doesn't matter how many lines as well you draw. You don't have to draw every single line, all right? Let's go over here. curve on that side, down, curve on the other side, like so. Curve on this side, curve on this side right here, up over here. Out over there, out over there. Same thing. These are little claws, right? So they're gonna be, you know, like looks like French fries or something. Over here. Over there. Over there. We're getting toward the end now. Hopefully you're doing well. If you like that I'm going slow and everything, let me know with a like. Just, you know, and also tell me what are the characters you want to see drawn, because I'll do it. Let's go over here now. He's got a little bit of a design there. Down over here, curve up. Down over here, curve up. Okay. So far, so good. You're doing well. You're doing great, hopefully. If you want, you can fill in the shapes of like the body. It's supposed to be like the gears, kind of. So they're kind of dark. And you don't have to do this. You do not have to do this. But if you want to do it, you can do it. And you don't have to do them all, right? You can do some. You can do the neck, probably. I probably recommend at least the neck. But it's not necessary. It's just a bit of an extra thing that I'm doing, but you don't have to do it if you don't want. Now let's go into the eye right here. His eyes look like straight line down, straight line down. Over here on this side, curve at the top, curve at the top. Over at the bottom, curve on the bottom, curve on the bottom. Down, down, like so. And that's it. You got it. You got a boogie bot from Poppy Playtime. So hopefully that was easy. If it was, like I said, let me know. I want you to stay right there. We're going to actually go into another lesson. We're going to roll into another lesson, directly into another one, pretty much right now. So I want you to stay right there, and we're going to get started literally right now. So let's get started.
Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.